This is a video to show you how to get rid of these annoying green errors. Okay. Now the reason this happens is because you use a formula that you need to use and it does the exact function that you need, but Excel either decides there's a better way of doing it or they don't like that. So this example is I've got these cells formatted as text, but obviously it's a number. And the reason why is because when it was set as number before, it was knocking the zero off the telephone number. Okay, so Excel just doesn't get why we're doing that. So you can just ignore the error, okay, or you can go to error checking options by right clicking. So I'll just do that again. So click on there and go to error checking options. And the bit you need is this error checking, and where that's ticked you just untick it, press OK, and that will remove them for the whole document. Okay. Now what you've got to be aware of is it doesn't just do it for this document, it's your own settings as far as I'm aware. So any of the documents that you open won't show those errors either. But if you send this to someone else who's not got that option ticked, then those green boxes may appear for them. Okay, so that's just worth bearing in mind that if you are going to make a spreadsheet with loads and loads of these green errors popping up all over because you're doing things a certain way, and you untick that to remove them, other people may be able to view them. So it's just a good tip to maybe advise them to do the same, especially if you're all working in the same office together. Okay, so that's it for this video, just a quick one, just to show you how to change that and turn that off. If you liked it and it was useful and it's helped you with something that's been annoying you for a while, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and it keeps us going, helps us make more videos. Thank you for watching.